Please, sir.
Hello everybody, I'm Robin Roderick. Yesterday we solved 3 questions from this chapter. Today I'll be doing question number 4, 5 and 6. We are using the same formula, the mirror formula for spherical mirrors. 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon p plus 1 upon q. F is the focal length, p is the object distance and q is the image distance. So let's start with question number 4. It says here that an object is situated at a distance of 24 centimeters. So your object distance P is 24 centimeter from a concave mirror. Mirror is concave. The focal length of the concave mirror is 6 centimeter. Determine the size and of the image. That means height of the image is what you need to find out. And its distance from the mirror. That means the image distance is equal to how much? Q from the mirror. And if the object is 12 centimeter high. If the height of the object is 12 centimeter. So let's apply the formula to find Q. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. The focal length is 6. Object distance is 24 plus 1 upon Q. So you move this over here. 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 24 will give you 1 upon Q. Your LCM is 24. 6 4s out, minus 1, which will give you 3 upon 24. 3 1s are 3 8s are. So Q image distance is equal to 8 centimeter. Now you need to find out the height of the image. So the formula height of the image over height of the object is equal to Q over P. The height of the image is unknown. We need to find that. Height of the object is given to you where it is 12 centimeter high. The value of Q we just calculated 8 centimeter and P is given to you 24. So let's move 24 over here. Height of the image will be equal to 8 times 12 over 24. 12 2s are, 2 4s are. So the height of the image is equal to 4 centimeter. This is the height or the size of the image. Now let's move on to the next question. We write down the data first. The focal length of a concave mirror is 10 centimeter. Mirror is concave, focal length is 10 centimeter. Where should an object be placed? Object distance is equal to how much? So that to get its real image magnified twice. Magnification is equals to times 2. So magnification is equals to Q upon P. So magnification is 4 times. You cross multiply. So Q will be equal to 4P. Q is equal to 4P. Now we substitute the value in the equation. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. So 1 upon focal length is known to you 10 centimeter. Object distance is what you need to find. And we just found out Q is equal to 4P. So 1 over 10 is equal to 4P is your LCM, so give you 4 plus 1. You cross multiply, 4P will be equals to 4 plus 1, 5 times 10. Let's move 4 on the other side. So P is equals to 5 times of 50 upon 4. Let me just check this once again. 1 upon 10 is equals to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q is 4P. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 times 10 upon 4P. So you'll get 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 5, 2 5s are 10. So 2 12s are 24, 12.5 centimeters. Let me just check if I'm getting the right answer. The focal length of a concave mirror is 10 centimeter. Where should an object be placed so that to get its real image magnified twice? Magnification is equal to Q upon P. Magnification is 4P. Q is equal to 4P plus 1 upon P. We need to find focal length is 1 upon 10. 4P and P, the LCM is 4P. P will go to this 4 times. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 10s are 50. Magnified twice Magnification is twice, so I'll have to put this as 2 times, okay? Magnification is twice, so 2 is equals to Q upon P. You cross multiply, Q is equals to 2P. So Q is equals to 2P. And this will become 2P is your LCM. So P will go to this 2 plus 1. Right, so sorry. So you have to cross multiply. 2P is equals to 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 3 times 10. Okay, so P is equals to 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 2 will give you 15 centimeters. So that's your answer. The focal length of a concave mirror is 10 centimeter. Where should an object be placed? P you need to find. So that its real image is magnified twice. I don't know how I got this. Oh, but anyway, magnification is twice. So Q is equals to 2P. You substitute the value of Q as 2P. P, the LCM is 2P. P will go 2P twice. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 times 30 is 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 2 will give you 15 centimeters. Let's go to the next one. Data. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 40 centimeters. Radius of curvature is 40. Where should an object be placed? Object distance is how much? So that to get its real image magnified 4 times. Here the magnification is times 4. Now focal length is half of the radius of curvature. So your radius of curvature is 40. So half of 40 will give you 20. So 20 centimeters is your focal length. Magnification is equals to Q upon P. We just solved one problem on magnification. Here magnification is 4. So Q will give you 4P. So now 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. Let's apply this. 1 upon focal length is 20 equals to 1 upon P is what you need to find out. Q is equals to 4P. So 1 upon 20 is equals to 4P is your LCM. 4 plus 1, which will give you 5 over 4P. Cross multiply. 4P will be equal to 5 into 20 will give you 100. P is equals to 100 upon 4. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 5s are 20. 25 centimeters is your object distance. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, so there's just 2 more problems remaining in this chapter. So hopefully in the next lesson I'll complete that. Till then, take care.